There ain't about one shot. Get a big spider that size coming out of it. Big down.
Yeah.
Some spiders do get
That's
that
better.
big.
Yes, this is
Michael, shut it off if you're done. Cut the battery off. We're gonna go dead. Yeah, don't play with it.
Where's the ball?
Little button. Little button underneath it. Turn it under. Turn it over. Turn it over. It must be the charging. I don't know. The charging one? I don't know. Read that.
This plug. It's unplugged.
Oh, press both buttons at the same time. Backward and spin. Okay, that's backwards.
Pedal na.
Infrared control. That's what it is, babe. It's infrared. That's what the little fingers on it. Infrared control.
I want to get drumsticks.
Oh, get the sticks.
You get this
Give me that, anak. That's fine. Okay, do drums.
Where the
Are
baby
you watching the drums, honey? And when Daddy's sleeping, guess what? Earphones.
That's headset, anak.
There's volume.
Michael, leave it alone, Michael. That's for charging. This is headset. You don't need it for now.
I think there's different settings too.
That's so scary for baby.
I cannot watch. It's weird, babe. We don't used to it because it's just circles and colors. We don't know what's the shape. Because we used to see the real drums and the shape, and then this one, the symbols. It's this.
Just put a little piece of tape on it and label it what it is. You can actually change it. You might be able to
Is
program
this a
it.
hi-hat? We're just thinking.
Yeah, where's the instructions? It'll tell you.
Mommy, you have to
I need to put level on it because we don't know what is that. Oh, tom-tom, anak. Tom-tree.
Sounds
This
like,
is cymbals, anak.
sounds like a regular drum. It actually got good sound.
This is tom. Right.
I see why it's the best seller, babe.
this?
This is crash, anak.
Sounds
This
like a
is
real
crash.
cymbal. Crash cymbal.
This is ride.
That's what?
Ride.
A what?
Ride!
What's a ride?
Crash! Or cymbals.
Ride?
Hi-hat. This is hi-hat. Yeah, I think.
It's like a
This is
symbol.
snare, anak.
There?
We need to put the name on it. Snare.
Here?
This is hi-hat, okay?
Yeah, just put a piece of tape on it and put it on the name on it. And then after you play it enough times and read it, you'll know it by heart. Well, I was first memorize them. I finally did. But now I have no clue. It's been over 40 years. Maybe 30 years.
This, Mama, we need it.
Michael, we need that. We don't need that for now.
And what the two pedals, babe? What's it say? The two pedals. One's the bass. One's for bass drum, babe.
Open this.
One's for bass drum, babe. Another one's for another.
Hi-hat.
Yeah, is that it? Hi-hat.
Open this one.
Alright, set it over here. We'll open it later, buddy. You can play with your drums for a while. You gonna play with the tarantula at the end? We'll open this later, buddy. You gotta put that outside so the baby don't get You wanna play with the tarantula, huh?
Fine.
Yeah, you wanna play with the spider? Daddy play with the spider. Let's see if I can make it go backwards.
Itsy bitsy
Yeah, it does
spider.
go backwards. Alright. Those are the wheels that roll. Put it up. Put it up. Pretty fast. Michael won't get them stuck in the web. Pretty fast. More fun. If I roll up here, portable, you can take it wherever. You charge it, I guess it lasts for like 8 hours. So, something perfect for a stage space, not too fancy. Something you can turn on. Oh, buddy. Go ahead. You got your bat, the screwdriver? Everything outside, but this is your toy box, buddy. It's dry. Get out of there yet. Hold off for now. Michael, hold off on this for now. Now move. Let me get out of here. Michael, pick this stuff up, this paper, and put it in the garbage. All the stuff you got on the floor. Get that out of here.